This is the waterfall sound story. If you like, you can add in sounds like splashing water and wind. This is from the fireplace sound story. If you choose, you can make the sounds more intense by adding in more pops and breaking logs. This is from the ocean sound story. If you choose, you can hear gulls, foghorns, seals, and many other natural ocean sounds. This is from the meadow sound story. If you choose, you can add in the buzzing of bees, the flapping of wings, birds singing, and many other natural sounds. This is from the train sound story. If you choose, you can have the machine add in additional sounds like train bells, the clacking of the linkage between cars, and lonesome train whistles. This is from the city soundscape. If you choose, you can add in other traffic sounds and sounds from a typical busy city. This is from the rain sound story. If you choose, you can add sounds like wind, and thunder. This is from the brook sound story. If you choose, you can add in birds singing, wind blowing through leaves, water splashing, and many other natural sounds. This is from the meditation sound story. You can add in a variety of synthesized and natural instruments, both melodic instruments and percussion instruments. With the white noise sound story, you can choose between sounds: a lower-pitched brown noise, a medium-pitched pink noise, or a higher-pitched white noise.